Okay, so I'm gonna keep going. So after this treble C, okay, so I'm gonna draw the notes even higher, okay? So that start from like this, sorry, not treble C, the high C, okay? And next one will be the high D, right? So it's which is above the C, above the second ledger line, and E will be on the third ledger line like that, right? And F will be above the third ledger line, and the G is on the fourth ledger line, okay? So yeah, I think these should be enough for now. Okay, so that's from the high C, right? And it's D, and it's E, and it's F, and it's G on the piano like that, okay? So for the, yeah, so that's basically like the 10 notes, right? So it starts this F, G, A, B, C, right? And the C, D, E, F, G for the treble clef, okay? So all in the ledger line position. And for the bass clef, right? So you know like on the first, sorry, not on the fourth ledger line, right? So that's F, G, A, B, C. So these are, you have to remember, okay? So your homework is you have this, 5 Linus basis notes, okay? So you need to do is your draw the treble clef and bass clef, okay? So I'm gonna to play some notes on the piano, all right? I'm gonna play some notes, and what your homework is, you have to draw the notes for me on the treble clef or the bass clef, okay? So that's your homework. Do you understand? So for example, I play the first one. I play this. I play that note. Right? So this one is E, right? You see that? It's 3 notes higher than treble C. I'm sorry, higher than high C. So that one will be the first one. So you have to draw this E for me then. Okay? So which is on the third ledger line. Okay? So I'm gonna to play some notes for you. Okay? So you're gonna draw these notes for me in the treble clef and bass clef. Okay? So I'll give you another example. So for example, the bass clef, I play this one. This one is A, right? You see, okay, so A, which is 3 notes lower than the low C, right? Okay, so I'm gonna draw like 3 notes lower than low C. So let's find the low C first, which is this one, and this one, it's A then, okay? So we have A and have E like that, okay? So I'm gonna play like some random notes for you, okay? So make sure you draw the notes for me, and okay, and send me the photo back and see if then all the notes you draw is correct, okay?